Have you ever wondered about the story behind the radiant citrine gemstone? Intriguing, isn't it? The birth of citrine is a tale of transformation. Formed deep within the Earth's crust, this gemstone starts its journey as an amethyst. When exposed to intense heat, the amethyst undergoes a remarkable metamorphosis, emerging as the stunning citrine we admire today. This gemstone is not confined to one corner of the globe. From the vibrant mines of Brazil to the rugged landscapes of Bolivia, citrine makes its presence felt worldwide. Now let's talk about the colors. Citrine boasts a spectrum of hues ranging from pale yellow to deep golden orange. It's as if the warmth and radiance of sunlight have been captured within its crystalline structure. What a wonder! So from the fiery depths of the earth, citrine begins its fascinating journey. But the appeal of citrine extends far beyond its radiant beauty. The warm hues of citrine have been captured in various forms of jewelry for centuries, adorning everything from rings to necklaces, earrings, and bracelets. Its timeless elegance has made it a beloved gemstone in the world of adornment, but its significance runs deeper than its aesthetic appeal. In ancient times, citrine was believed to bring abundance, prosperity, and clarity to its wearer. This belief transcends time, as even today citrine is seen as a symbol of happiness, success, and abundance, especially for those born in November. Citrine, a gemstone of elegance and abundance, continues to captivate hearts worldwide. Citrine is not just a stone, it's a beacon of warmth, energy, and positive vibrations. This radiant gemstone, with its sun-drenched hues, is associated with many metaphysical properties. It's often linked to abundance and prosperity, acting as a magnet for wealth and success. This makes it a popular choice among those seeking financial prosperity. But the power of citrine extends beyond financial realms. It's also believed to stimulate creativity and enhance manifestation abilities, helping individuals visualize and actualize their goals and aspirations. In the realm of chakra balancing, citrine is connected to the solar plexus chakra, the energy center associated with personal power, self-confidence, and willpower. By energizing this chakra, citrine promotes a sense of empowerment and vitality. As a stone of positivity and joy, citrine is thought to dispel negative energy and foster feelings of happiness, optimism, and warmth. It's also considered a protective stone, creating a shield of light around the wearer, warding off negative influences and fostering a sense of safety and security. Whether you're drawn to its radiant beauty or its spiritual resonance, citrine holds a unique allure that stood the test of time. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more crystal guides and tips on how to enhance your life with the power of gemstones.